Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Happy Memorial Day, y'all. I'm gonna do a memorial tradition that I have in my life here, and that's peach cobbler. I don't know a Memorial Day that goes by, a holiday that goes by, that I don't have a peach cobbler. So I'm gonna make a homemade peach cobbler right quick, my style here. Alright y'all, I'm gonna use frozen peaches today. Later on in the next few weeks, I might do another one with fresh peaches, because peaches is definitely coming in the season right now. But right today, I'm going to use some just frozen peaches. I got a pound of peaches here. And I'm going to cook these a little longer than I normally do my peach cobbler, because frozen peaches are a little, takes a little bit longer to cook than the peaches out of the can. Okay, I'm going to add my pineapple juice. Y'all know my pineapple juice trick. If y'all been following me long enough, you know the pineapple juice I add to all my cobblers. Add a little butter flavor there, a little vanilla flavor. Alrighty. I'm gonna add some cinnamon and nutmeg to it. So nutmeg, a little cinnamon. Gotta have the cinnamon in there. Alright, gotta have a little sugar in here. Okay, this cobbler is so simple. Now when I add the sugar, you can kind of taste, sometimes the peaches is not as sweet as others. Frozen peaches tend not to be as sweet as peaches in the can in the syrup. So I add a little bit of extra more sugar. Okay, I got sugar in there, nutmeg, vanilla, cinnamon, pineapple juice, and I'm gonna put my butter in here. My butter is salted, that's why I don't add no salt, because I got salt already in the butter. And that's it, y'all. We're gonna bring this to a boil. I'm gonna let this come to a boil, and I'm gonna come right back and show you what I'm gonna do next when I add the arrowroot, cornstarch. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back here. Okay, I got my peaches boiling here. Like I say, I'm letting them boil about 5-10 minutes, because if they was canned peaches or actual fresh peaches, I wouldn't let them boil as much. But these are frozen, so frozen peaches tend to be a little more firmer and harder. So I let them boil a little bit longer so they can kind of soften up. So now, while that's boiling, I'm gonna get my cornstarch. I got cornstarch in here. I'm gonna add some water to it. This is what you call a slurry. It's what you call a slurry when you add cornstarch to water. So I can thicken this up. If I just dump the cornstarch in there like that, it's gonna lump up my mixture. Okay, now I'm gonna pour this in here. And like I said, this recipe is in the description of the video. A bit more. Once that cornstarch hit that hot liquid, like I say, it usually just thicken right up. See here, put a little bit more. A little bit more cornstarch to it. And that should do it. I don't like my peach cobbler that thick, and I don't like it that thin either. So we add a little bit more cornstarch to it. That's it. See that? I mean, you can make it as thick and as thin as you want. And that's it, y'all. Now, that's the filling. Now, I want now to put the crust in the bottom here. Y'all know I use them roll-up crust. I love these things, Pillsbury. They make the best. So I'm gonna unroll this and I'm gonna put it in my casserole dish here. Get it unrolled here. Make sure they at room temperature when you do that. It helps them roll better. So I'm putting the casserole dish here. Bottom crust. If you don't want to use a bottom crust, you don't have to. kind of stretch it out where it fit the bottom of the pan. And then I'll pour my filling into the casserole dish. There we go. Now I'll go on the top here. We'll put the top on here. The top layer of the crust. So simple and so easy. This whole cobbler is so simple and easy. Okay, roll this out. Like I said, there's no art to this. You do it however you like to do it. Go across, you can go the other way. However you want to do it. There's no rule in how you can do this. I'm gonna just do it like a little lattice cut, lattice top there. Here, one at the end. I got two more little pieces to kind of fill in right there. See that? Okay, now I'm gonna put some butter on there and some sugar. I like to put a little butter. You don't have to. So you can do it however you want to do it. But it just gives it that extra caramelization on there when the cobbler is ready. That's why I like to put butter. You can put cinnamon sugar on it too if you want to. I've done that before. I like to just go like that. Thin piece of butter on top. Just gonna get that extra crispy, nice crispy crust on top. Very simple. All right, now sprinkle a little sugar on top of it. We're gonna have it ready for the oven. See that? Look at that. Can't skip on calories on this one, y'all. Okay, and that's it. We're gonna put it in a 350-degree oven, about 45 minutes. When it come out, we're gonna have a good old school peach cobbler. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, it's been 45 minutes here. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. There we go. Nice and bubbly and hot, and it's definitely ready. Look at that. That's old school peach cobbler right there, y'all. Definitely old school peach cobbler. So we're gonna let that set here a few minutes here. I'm gonna let it stop bubbling because it's so hot to eat. And we're gonna come right back and we're gonna get us a bowl of this stuff here. I'm gonna get my bowl here ready. Get my spoon ready. We're going to come back and we're going to scoop this up and we're going to see what we got here. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here for the final time here. Okay, I changed bowls here. I got a bigger kind of bowl here. This stuff is really, really still hot, but I just want to show y'all. Oh, wow. Now, if I had some ice cream, of course, when it's cooled down, it won't be as thin, but I like the crust on this sucker. Look at that, y'all. Wow. juice there. Like I said, you can make it thicker or thinner, however you want it. Oh wow, this stuff is so good. It's so hot. Cause like I say, when it sit down and sit up, it's gonna be thicker than this. The flavor is so good. And I love that crust. Wow. I made this so many times, but it's Memorial Day, and I had to make my peach cobbler. So anyway, happy Memorial Day, y'all. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share. Please like the video. And please visit my other social media accounts. I'm on Twitter, Old School Soul Food. Instagram, Mr. Old School Soul Food. Facebook, Old School Soul Food. And of course my website, I'm saying this so many times, a tongue twister, y'all. My website, oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. See y'all.